This is a short demonstration of the IONET Export on Demand function. The purpose of this tool is that during a mail migration, administrators will typically only migrate the last 3 to 6 months worth of email, and this lets users search and export any other important mail that may be useful for them. So that could be old email to the HR department, or legal information, or personal contact information, etc. So the users just navigate to the archive of database using a browser, and it will figure out their mail file in their archives, and they just run a search. Now they can refine the result set as many times as they want, or they can just select various results and export to whatever format they prefer. So if we export these two results to Office 365, we should find that they appear in this online Office 365 mail account shortly. The administrators can also export the 3 to 6 months worth of mail across users, across servers, across groups, organization units, etc., according to various criteria. So that could be number of days old, at formulas, folders and views, and so on. Exporting to whatever format they prefer, PDF, HTML, PST, Office 365 in this case. So this is how the administrators would archive the majority, or the last 3 to 6 months worth of email, and then let the users do the rest. Administrators can also archive data from Notes applications, so that can be custom applications, can be discussion databases, document libraries, to HTML, ASPX, and PDF. And so that would allow them to take a representation of the Notes data and put it into those formats. And then they can use the integration between SharePoint and the Windows Explorer to copy those exported files directly into SharePoint libraries. So here we have an Office 365 SharePoint library, which is displaying data from a Notes document library. The layout of the document on the screen is controlled by XSLT spreadsheets, so you can control whether or not you show headers, responses, none in this case, rendering, fields, rich text content, etc. And so this lets you export your custom Notes applications directly into SharePoint libraries as well. So that's how your Notes administrators and users can export mail and applications directly to Office 365 and SharePoint. Now, if we go back to the online 365 account, you can see that the two search results which are selected to export have now turned up in Office 365. So that's how users do their export on demand.